Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to discuss this kitchen layout with you all. This was the architectural plan that we got from a client. The size was 11 feet 4 inches by 10 feet 9 inches and you have your utility area over here. Although the size is fine, but when you compare with the proportion of the house, it is quite smaller. Now the working area that we got in this area is this. See, whenever you're designing your kitchen, it's just not about the dimension of the space. It's about the working platform that you're going to provide. And in this area, we see only this much is the working space, which is not sufficient. So we shared few options with the client to increase the efficiency of the space that I'm going to discuss with you all in this video. Before diving into those options, let's see the working possibilities for this space. So this is the platform. To make a good kitchen, you need to have a space for refrigerator, which is over here. Now you're going to place your tall unit over here, pantry over here. Now you're going to place your microwave and OTG over here because the spaces for all these things were needed. Now the working area is only this much. So the space for the drawers, the corner cabinet is only this much. Seeing the scale of the house, I wanted to give them at least 9 drawers over here, which was not coming in this layout. So let's see what were the options that we created. In order to increase the working space, first dismantle this wall and we created another platform over here. We shifted our refrigerator to this space. Now our working platform was this, and after 3 feet 6 inches dimension, it was this. So by doing this, we were able to achieve another working platform like this. So although we were compromising with this space over here, but we were getting for more than 5 feet dimension here. So it was beneficial for us to shift the refrigerator over here. And by doing this, we were also able to achieve the clean and open look of the kitchen. Because the utility, the dirty part of the kitchen was here, so it was okay to open the kitchen. This was the first option that we created for the space. So our refrigerator was here. Now our pantry unit was here. Our microwave and oven was here, and our hob was here. So this is the sink and this is the working area. This is another platform that we have added over here. So this was one option that we created. Now let's dive into the other option. Another option that we added, because it was refrigerator over here, you have to shift your refrigerator slightly bit from the wall, and there are some wiring, other steps going on. In order to hide that thing, the behind refrigerator area, we added a crockery unit over here. So this was the crockery unit, this was the refrigerator, now this was our pantry unit, and this was our oven and OTG. And now what we did, we increase our platform like this. We made a U of it, and this was another platform for this kitchen. And here we added our rolling shutter. Rolling shutters are very important because it helps in keeping all the electronic item like hand blender, mixer and other stuff. So I placed it over here. So by doing this, what we were getting, we were able to achieve a platform like this, this and this. And also I was able to make drawers over here, 3 drawers over here. Then we added 3 drawers over here and also 3 drawers over here. And here it was our grain and another drawer above the grain. So here it was going to be our BPO, a corner unit over here, and this was the another corner unit. We created a magic corner space over here, and this was the corner shelf area. So by doing this, we were able to achieve a functional kitchen. Also in this utility area, we made a platform like this. This was a platform. Here was our double bowl sink, and here was another set of drawers for this space. And above this was geyser and under counter RO space. So this was the another option that we created. Now let's see the design. This is the SketchUp model look that we have created. Now you can see this is my crockery area. We are having a refrigerator here. At the side of it, we are having a pantry. This is the microwave oven. The bottom of this, we were having a pickle basket. And this was the final front look. This was the chimney. At the side of it, we are having the glass cabinet and the 3 drawers over here. This is the bottle pull out. This is the corner cabinet, and this was another set of 3 drawers. So this is the final look from front. We were having the rolling shutter over here.